the universal law of progression. We live in a world obsessed with overnight success and elevator rides to the top. We want fast money, quick promotions, and instant market dominance. But real life doesn't have a flying mode. Real life works on stairs. Every step forward takes effort and patience. But here is the truth most people ignore: the stairs work both ways. When you lose focus, you don't stay floating where you are, you step backward. And if you drop 4 steps down, you don't magically fly back to where you were. You have to climb those same 4 steps back up, one by one. Today, let's break down how this step-by-step rule plays out in 3 critical areas of life: career, finance, and business. Now let's look at finance, where the step-by-step rule is mathematically real. Building wealth is a slow, steady climb up a steep flight of stairs. Saving, investing, and staying disciplined month after month. Suppose you've built a decent emergency fund and paid off basic debts. That's steady upward progress. But then lifestyle creep hits. You buy things you can't afford on high-interest credit cards. You stop tracking your expenses. You dip into your savings to cover impulse buys. You start missing minimum payments. In financial panic, people look for a flying mode, high-risk gambling, sketchy crypto schemes, or lottery mindset, hoping to jump back up in one move. Financial recovery has 0 flying mode. If you slide 4 steps down into debt and disorganization, the turnaround requires climbing back up step by step. Stop all non-essential spending immediately. Draft a strict budget and track every dollar. Systematically pay off the debt, starting with small or high-interest balances. Rebuild the emergency savings layer by layer. Realize where you stand early. A 1-step fall in money is easy to fix with quick awareness. A 4-step fall requires long-term patience. In business, momentum is everything. A startup or company earns customer loyalty step by step, delivering quality products, fast support, and fair pricing. What happens when a business loses focus? Quality control drops slightly. Customer support responses get delayed. Negative reviews begin piling up. Key clients leave for competitors. A failing business cannot fly back to market leadership with a flashy marketing campaign or PR stunt. Customers see right through it. If a business falls 4 steps in quality and trust, it has to earn it back step by step. Fix the core product flaw. Retrain the support team. Reach out directly to dissatisfied customers to make things right. Deliver consistently over months until reputation is restored. If you catch a product glitch on step 1, you pivot immediately and save the company. If you ignore it until step 4, prepare for the long, hard climb back up. Let's look at career. You put in 6 months of hard work. You learn the tools, complete projects, build a portfolio, and land your first solid remote roles. You've successfully climbed 4 steps up. Then, success makes you comfortable. You stop learning because you feel you already know enough. You take on too many projects at once. You burn bridges with key team members or clients. Your main contract or client drops you. Now you find yourself back at ground level. The instinct here is to panic and look for a flying mode. It doesn't work that way. You have to take 4 distinct steps back up. Acknowledge where your skill gaps. Spend dedicated time updating your core skills. Re-engage your network. Reach out to past colleagues. Deliver flawless, high-quality results consistently. If you catch yourself slipping at step 1, the moment you feel unmotivated or lazy, turning around takes just a simple discipline reset. But if you let yourself slide all 4 steps down, accept it with patience. There are no shortcuts, only the step-by-step climb back up. Whether it's your career, your bank account, or your business venture, remember this fundamental law. Progress demands patience. There are no elevators. There is no flying mode. When you make a mistake, don't let a 1-step stumble turn into a 4-step collapse. Realize it quickly, turn around immediately, and take that step back up. And if you do fall far down, don't waste energy wishing for a shortcut. Put your head down, trust the process, and take the next step. If this message resonated with you, hit the like button.